Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the circle of fifths in songwriting. This powerful tool visually organizes all 12 musical keys, showing their relationships and making chord selection much easier. You'll learn to quickly identify relative major and minor keys, which is fundamental for creating harmonious progressions. We'll also explore how its structure simplifies transposing songs and smoothly modulating between different keys. Each clockwise step adds a sharp, while counterclockwise steps add a flat, revealing the key signatures. To find chords for your song, first select your root key and locate it on the circle of fifths. The two keys immediately adjacent to your root key are your primary harmonic companions. Together, these three keys, your root and its two neighbors, represent the I, Roman 4, and V chords, which are the backbone of countless songs. For instance, if you're in C major, G and F are your dominant and subdominant. Remember to also consider the relative minor of each major key for even more harmonic possibilities.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful and learning a lot about songwriting, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. Your support really helps the channel grow. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab yourself a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. A fresh car interior can totally inspire fresh musical ideas. Trust me on this one. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Many popular songs rely on simple yet effective chord progressions directly derived from the circle of fifths. The I Roman 4V progression is a fundamental example, utilizing your root key and its two immediate neighbors. Another widely used progression is I Roman 6 Roman 4V, which introduces the relative minor chord for added depth. Moving either clockwise or counterclockwise around the circle naturally creates strong, pleasing harmonic movement. Don't be afraid to experiment with various sequences to discover unique and compelling chord voicings for your music. Modulation, or changing keys within a song, adds significant interest and emotional depth. A key technique involves using a pivot chord, which is a chord shared by both your current key and your target key. The circle of fifths is invaluable here, as it helps you quickly identify closely related keys, making smooth transitions much easier. Keys adjacent on the circle are generally the simplest to modulate between due to their shared harmonic elements. A very common and effective method is to modulate to the relative major or minor of your current key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.